Right fighting stance, straight.
No!
Straight left. Straight right. Left hook. Right hook. Left uppercut. Right uppercut. Back fist. Spinning back fist. Cross over. Back to your position. Right. Open. Right fighting stance, straight.
No!
Straight left. Straight right. Left kick. Right kick. Straight right. Straight left. Cross over. Straight right. Straight left. Left kick. Right kick. Side kick. Back fist. Straight left. Now remember it, cross over. Cross over. Come back this way, the right leg. Forward. Come forward to the right leg. That's it, isn't it? Bend. You can bend both knees, you've got it. And turn. Back to your position. Great.